Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel where we help you learn languages easily. Today we are going to learn how to say good afternoon in Nepali. Whether you are traveling to Nepal or just want to impress your Nepali friends, you are in the right place. In English, we say good afternoon when we greet someone after 12 p.m. But how do we say this in Nepali? In Nepali, good afternoon is translated as Subha Aparanna, which is pronounced Subha Aparanna. Let's break it down. Subha means good or auspicious, and Aparanna refers to the afternoon time. Bihana means morning, afternoon means Aparanna, Saja means evening, Rat means night, and day means din or diuso. Now let's practice saying it together. Repeat after me. Subha Aparanna. One more time. Subha Aparanna. Great job. Although this is the formal way to say good afternoon, in casual conversations, Nepalese often just say Namaste regardless of the time of day. So, if you are unsure, just greet with a smile and a Namaste. Now let's practice some more sentences from my website. Greeting a friend in the afternoon. Subha Aparanna Sathi. Subha Aparanna Sathi. It means good afternoon friend. Subha Aparanna Sathi. Subha Aparanna Sathi. Number 2. Starting an afternoon meeting. Good afternoon everyone. Let's start the meeting. In Nepali, Subha Aparanna sabaiलाई अब बैठक सुरु गरौँ. Subha Aparanna sabaiलाई अब बैठक सुरु गरौँ. Sabai means everyone. Baitak means meeting. Suru garo means let's start. Number 3. Greeting someone after lunch. Good afternoon. How was your lunch? Subha Aparanna. Khaja kasto bhayo? Subha Aparanna. Khaja kasto bhayo? Khaja means lunch. Number 4. Wishing someone well during the afternoon. Good afternoon. Hope you have a great day. Subha Aparanna. तपाईको दिन राम्रो रहोस्. Subha Aparanna. तपाईको दिन राम्रो रहोस्. That's it for today. Now you know how to say good afternoon in Nepali. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and hit that subscribe button for more language tips. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful afternoon. Subha Aparanna.